Okay, hello everybody. This is my completed ROV kit that I've had for about a week now. I've soldered everything, everything's assembled. So I'm going to give it a test run. Now this is my control panel. It controls the three motors on the ROV. There's 4 AA batteries. You can see with the connectors in the middle below, I've wired everything up. And then you got the switches in the middle. The forward, up, down, reverse. It's hard to see. Down and reverse. So these motors can turn the propeller blades different directions. Like I said, I have 3 DC motors in the ROV. Okay. Actually, I think I did a pretty decent job of soldering, which is good for me. I'm not the greatest solderer in the world. We'll find out here on the test just how well I put it together. So this is the control board, and it's wired to the ROV. I'm going to show you the ROV next. Very basic ROV. As you can see, there's the 4 wires coming into the ROV. Soldered them to these 2 forward and reversed motors, DC motors. Blue is power, green and red is for the different sides. You can see there's another motor in the middle. Show you that next. Same setup. Now I've wired all 3 of the power to the plus side right here. The yellow goes to the controller. Very basic. Not the greatest wire management of all time, but it's not one of my primary skills. Let me show you here the back. This is a very standard configuration for an ROV because it has 3 motors. The central motor will make it go up and down by reversing the propeller. Same thing for the left and right or starboard port. I have to learn my nautical terms. These motors will go one way or the other for it to go forward or reverse. These are ballasts, so I can add weight to either side to make sure that I neutral buoyancy. It's pretty basic. The only thing I'm not an expert on ROVs. The only thing I'm not quite sure about is all the motors are exposed to the water. Basically, my soldering joints are exposed to the water. I don't know how this is going to work. I follow the directions, and this direction is coming with the ROV. So I've done everything that the instructions said. So let's do a basic quick test. Let's see if I've wired everything and soldered everything correctly. Okay. Step 1. Okay. Let's see. You can see the motors. Let's bring the controller in. Okay. So, of course, I won't be able to do a test if everything's turning the right direction until I get into water. So let's try the right motor first. Ooh, I don't know, I may not be wired correctly. I'll check the instructions, but at least the motor is working. It does look like it's turning different directions for forward and reverse. Said I'll have to do a test in water to verify this. So the left motor is working. Okay, let's check the right motor. Let's reverse. That's forward. These propellers are moving very quickly. It's going to be interesting to see how fast it moves inside my test tank. Select my soldering. I did a good job of soldering. I think that's a very good test of the left and right motors. Let's try the middle motor or the up and down one. Yep. You may not be able to see it, but it is definitely goes up and down, forward or reverse, well, whatever, however you want to say it. So far I'm very happy with the kit. It was only $80, but like I said, you can see how I wired it together. I might need to double check, make sure everything's wired correctly. Definitely have to do a test inside water to see if the motors are all moving in the correct directions. Solder joints look good. I will say this is a very good test. Like I said, I'm very surprised. This is my first test of the solder, wiring everything together. Everything looks correct. Like I said, this will go on water, so there's no protection for the motors. I don't know if the motors are going to short out. I'm not sure how this is going to work. Like I said, I follow the directions exactly. So next video, this is pre-water test. Next video will be of the ROV inside my test tank. So thanks for watching this video. I'll try to post the next video in the next few days. Thank you.